Hello everyone and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to customize your sales receipts. Now there are two ways to get here. The first way is from here on the home page. Click on the name of your company and then it will open up the manage accounts and settings. Then you click on sales. Still loading. Click on sales. That's company sales. Then you can see customize the way your form looks. Then you click on customize the look and the feel and you give you this place. Then you click on sales receipt to customize. Now but it's the particular sales receipt you want to customize. For example, I already have one here. I can just click on edit and I can click on rename, preview, delete. Let's say rename, so we can only rename it here. Okay, let's open it up then. So click on it to open it up, and now let's customize it by the design. Here's the design. I can change the template to this. Everything is optimized for tips. Okay, tell you the template what it is for. So let's change it to the next one. Okay, if you want to change this, click on change templates. So we have different templates you can choose. We have fresh, we have bold. If you want to use bold, then you can also add logo. We still have others. We have friendly. Also add logo. You can edit your logo. You can try other colors. If you don't keep on using this color, so you want to use this, you can try this to make it better, or you can try different colors. Then you can change the font. You can see we really have 4 fonts for now. So choose the font, the size, and then you can add your EFT details, message, and the rest of them. And then emails, you can add how to look, change how to look like when giving us an email. So you can also print it out. So that is just how to customize your sales receipts. It's as simple as that. Once you're through, you click on done. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.